Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I will review Fidget pack. The color is yellow, black, and the style over here. Okay, I'll open. This one is I don't know what it's called. Okay, this one I opened already. This one is the Fidget pack. Okay, let's see. This one is can click. The two push is can click, and the two push is can not click. This flutter. Yeah, this one I love it. I like this one. Yeah, this one like the joy game. This one is like the joy game. And this one texture is rough. Like you can do it over here. And this one you can spin. And texture is rough. And this one you can spin too. And this one is the spring. And this one is swish. This one is like, I don't know what it's called. Like you can do around it. You can go around it. Like do. Okay. And the box is so good. And this one, like you can to push over here, but I don't know what to push it. Over here? Oh, I don't know. Like speed lock. I don't know. But this side have any picture to like around the Fidget pack. You don't know what inside, you can look at. And this one too. And I like this swish and the clicking. Yeah, I like all. Okay, you go to subscribe and you click you click under the subscribe, but I don't know what it's called. I will speak Thai. กดกระดิ่ง
Bell.
Ding ding. Bell. You can click the bell. And you comment under the YouTube. Bye bye.